Hello guys, do you want to meet, chat and have fun with new people? Here we bring you easy tutorial to sign up or register a brand new Meetme account so you can come across thousands of potential dates for free. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now, if you want to open a new Meetme account, first go to www.meetme.com. You can sign up Meetme from Facebook, or you can also sign up by using your email account. Here I will show you how to sign up in meetme.com. Enter your name, your active email address, and choose a desired password. Now select your gender and enter your birth date. Click on the sign up free button and you will get a link on your email. Click on the link sent by Meetme in your email and you are finally done creating a new account at Meetme dating website. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hope this tutorial has helped you create a new account in Meetme.com. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.